Penis Enlargement Bible Review, Penis Enlargement Bible Results, Penis Enlargement Bible Review, Exercises and Supplements. Hey, don't spend a cent until you read my Penis Enlargement Bible Review. We've used pumps, extenders, and pills. Nothing worked until we bought this program and followed it to the letter. We purchased Penis Enlargement Bible by John Collins roughly 2 years ago. Here are the results and experience. Chances are you landed on this site because you're not happy with your penis, whether you're unsatisfied with size, length, girth, or maybe you have a weird curve or you have weak erections. Either way, I'm going to show how to change all that. We started looking into penis enlargement about 4 years ago and almost gave up before we found this program about 2 years ago. Here's a summary of 4 years worth of research. Pills, pumps, and gadgets don't work half as well as Penis Enlargement Bible. All pumps can cause some serious damage and devices risk cutting off blood flow. Pills are just pure garbage. All of them are pretty pricey as well. If you want to gain size, have better orgasms with a straighter, harder dick, you have to use these techniques. Bonus, it's cheap. How Penis Enlargement Bible by John Collins works. Click the link below to see how this system works. After watching the video you're probably sitting there asking yourself what the hell this is about. So let me explain. This is basically a 90+ page ebook on how to enlarge your phallus using nothing but your hands and natural herb supplements. The program is built on a double foundation of mechanical penis enlargement, using your hands to perform manual penile exercise. These specific techniques force the cells in the spongy tissue of corpora cavernosa and sinusoids, the tissue inside the penis, and its capacity to hold blood, to undergo mitosis and grow in response to external factors. The exercises, biochemical penile enhancement. Using the correct supplements you are able to chemically mimic the conditions your body had when your penis underwent growth during puberty. For your info, these two principles work in tandem to make your body undergo penile growth. The results are an inch and after inch of development until you've reached your penis enlargement goals. Sadly, the supplements used in specialized techniques are subject to copyright, so I can't go into too much depth without being sued. I have however walked the line by doing a chapter breakdown below. While the primary focus of the system is male enhancement, it covers a wide variety of important topics beyond simple penis enlargement. Here is a breakdown of the chapters with a brief personal commentary. Gain and maintain a hard sensitive penis, page 716. Great information on maintaining sensitivity and erection strength as you get older. Your penis loses it as you age. Pay close attention to activating hormonal interactions necessary to reboot penile growth. Start penis growth, page 1748. John Collins expertly delivers a very specific and easy to follow set of exercises. You'll find 3 beginner and 8 more advanced techniques. End premature ejaculation, page 4960. There's pretty surprising information here. If you've done a lot of research or suffer from premature ejaculation, and I bet you'll learn something new here, along with an effective way to end it. This chapter has been a godsend for few guys I know. Increase your ejaculate volume, page 6163. The average load is about a tablespoon. Collins goes over how to crank it up to 3, which is huge. The more you shoot, the longer your orgasms tend to be. So it's worth it. You'll also shoot a lot further using this info. Chinese herbs, page 6478. This chapter goes over a detailed list of 28 Asian herbs. These supplements will give your body everything it'll need to add inches to your penis. Western supplements, page 7988. This is great if you're in a smaller town and don't have access to some of the Chinese herbs, though I've never had a problem finding them. You'll find in-depth information on 7 supplements that are available everywhere in the Western world, and just about everywhere else. Tables of reference, page 8994. Already straightforward. It's a reference table. Personal note, chapters 2 and 5 are pretty important. Pay close attention to the techniques in chapter 2 and read chapter 5 carefully. Penis Enlargement Bible Results Top 7 Pros. Instant. You get all the info as soon as purchase it, so you can start without any delays. It works. Highly effective program proven to deliver results in both length and girth. You also get some pretty awesome side benefits like harder erections, better orgasms, and improved sexual stamina. It's safe. Unlike pumps, shady pills, and penile extenders, this system is safe to use with little to no risk. The last thing any man wants when trying to obtain a bigger penis is to put his manhood at risk. There are way too many horror stories out about pumps and other forms of penis enlargement. Don't take the risk. This is safe and effective, permanent results. Once you've decided that you're big enough, you can call it quits, and those inches will stay forever. Low cost, high value. Not only is it cheap, but it's practically free when you compare it against other penis enlargement methods like surgery, $10,000 plus, pumps, at least $150, extenders, $200 to $400. The information offered is just worth more than it's being sold for. Great reputation. It's important to know what other guys think about a product before buying it. Of the 10,000 plus reviews online, there's a 95% customer satisfaction. That's amazing for any product, let alone a male enhancement system. See other testimonial here. Media coverage can be seen here. No risk. There's also a no-risk 60 days 100% money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose by starting and some peace of mind. A few things. Cons that could be improved. Commitment. This doesn't happen overnight. I think we'd all be happier if it did, but you have to be committed to achieving your goals to get a bigger penis. Slow support. While the billing and refund response times are good, their support for answering questions is really slow. I've heard they're stepping up their game, and while the system is very comprehensive, it's always good to have extra support. No frills. The ebook and general presentation is frankly lackluster. Don't expect to be blown out the water by state-of-the-art graphics. It gives you what you need in a simple format. Penis Enlargement Bible discount. John Collins has given the go-ahead for a limited time sale. I don't know when the sale will end, but I'll update it when it does. For now, you can get the Penis Enlargement Bible at a wicked discounted price of only $47. It's cheaper than a dinner out at a moderate restaurant. You'll have instant access online, total private billing, discreet credit card billing as well, and that peace of mind the 60-day money guarantee will give you. Conclusion. Highly effective program, worth the time and money. Buy Penis Enlargement Bible. Bonus tip number 1. How to properly measure your penis. It's important that you know how to measure yourself so you can track your progress. Nothing better than seeing the gains after a few weeks. Bonus tip number 2. Top 5 things I learned. Slow and steady wins the race. Basically, don't overdo it. If you're sore one day, take the day off. Don't freak out if you lose a little length, but don't worry, it comes back, and then some, in about a week. This should probably be number 1, but follow the instructions. It's amazing how many dudes get halfway through the Penis Enlargement Bible PDF, jump right in without reading, and wonder why their results suck. This works, but you can't do it half-assed. This ties into number 3, you have to commit. Trust me on this. If you follow the instructions and commit to using it as directed, you will achieve your goals. Measure your progress. Nothing will keep you as motivated than seeing gains in length and girth over the weeks. Bonus tip number 3. Penis Enlargement Bible frequently asked questions. What kind of gains can I anticipate from the Penis Enlargement Bible? According to Dr. Collins, forums I've participated in along with the results of other I know personally that have done this, you can expect to gain 1-3 inches in the first 6 months. The amount gained depends widely on a number of personal factors. What's important is that you will see outstanding results within that time. Why are there pills? There's a big difference between bogus male enhancement pills and the natural supplements used here. There are no penis pills, and you are not going to be buying any through this system. You're going to be using natural supplements you can find at your grocery store. Why is it so cheap? I know what you mean. Most products in the male enhancement market are hundreds of dollars and deliver very little. This is a fraction of the price and gives you everything you'll need for a bigger penis. It's hard to see the enormous value when the cost is so low. I had the opportunity to ask the Penis Enlargement Bible team that question and got this response. As our product is in PDF, our overhead is less than the majority of other penis enlargement systems available today. John believes strongly that men should be able to address this fundamental concern with a legitimate solution without financial hardship. It's our aim to provide a real solution to men without breaking the bank. what kind of exercises are in the program, like the supplements used. This information is under copyright, so I can't go into too much detail. There are highly specialized workouts along with, and using, modified versions of classic penile exercises like jelqing, stretching, Kegels. There are several different and advanced programs that explained in the ebook. To find out more, click the link below.